Is it possible to route payments to different payment providers based on the channel that a customer is purchasing through? Invoices, payment links, calendars, and more. So check this out. Whenever we navigate to payments and then integrations inside of HighLevel, we can connect different providers like Stripe, PayPal, Authorize.net, Square, and others. And we can configure where we're using these payment providers by clicking Configure Providers in the top right. So here you see all of the different channels that we can accept payments from, things like funnels, forms, stores, calendars, invoices, payment links, courses, communities, and surveys. And we can set up different providers for each one of these channels. So in this case, instead of just using Stripe for all of them, we can add a second channel. All we have to do is click the plus, and then we can select the additional provider like PayPal in order to use on this channel. So in this case, we can accept Stripe payments and PayPal payments on funnels. But what if, for an example, we want to use only PayPal for invoices? Then we can remove Stripe by clicking the X. We can then click the plus and add on PayPal. So now invoices will only use PayPal. A great example of this is if we have one account where we're running, let's say, an e-commerce store, but we're also doing agency services using things like invoices, then maybe on the store right here, we can have Stripe set up. But for things like invoices, we can have something like PayPal, Authorize.net, or something where we prioritize ACH transactions to reduce our fees on those invoices. This means you get a ton of functionality out of just one account in HighLevel, and you can utilize all these different places to collect payments and collect them with the right provider using this feature. If you want to learn more about how to set this up, drop a comment on this video or check out the blog. As always, my name is Andrew, and thank you very much for watching.